guys, Motorcycle Planet here. Today I'm reviewing the HJC IS-17 Ordin graphics. The Ordin graphics is the one that has like an oil effect, so you get the actual, depending on the light, you get different colors, green going towards purple, and it actually changes with the light. I don't know if you can actually see that on the camera as I turn it, and if I flip it round like that, there might be a difference in color. Very attractive helmet. I would imagine in real life you can see the more effect of the actual. Anyway, the helmet comes with a 3-pin lock fog resistance lens, so the actual visor's pin lock ready. I'll start off with the front of the helmet. You've got the visor, which has a nice special lock here, so once you put it down it actually clicks into place. There you go. Nice and tight fit there. Open it up and you can see it's pin lock ready as well. I've noticed the sticker on the visor here from Motorrad in Germany, meaning this must have been a helmet which has passed certain tests and has been approved by them, and they've given it their sticker there on the front of the visor. The helmet is ECR 2205 certified, DOT as well. Coming back to the front, the vents, you've got the front vent here, allows air to come through the cheek pads. You've got the top vent up here, and at the back you can see the ports where the air comes out through at the top. This is a dual visor helmet, so at the top you can slide the visor. Inner visor comes down, and all you do is press a button and it goes up nice and slowly as well. Inside the helmet you can see more plush lining inside, also totally removable. Cheek pads come out, the inner lining also. You've got the chin vent, also removable, so it can be washed from time to time. You've got ratchet system on this one. I do believe there are some which come with D-ring depending on which country. This particular one has got the ratchet system, which is very easy to use, quite popular these days. And basically that's it. That's the IS-17. New for this year is this Ordin graphics. There's loads of others. The plain colors, they've got several different graphics. You can go on the HJC website and you can see several different ones. I think even the Marvel Comics has got the Iron Man in this, and the Deadpool. And that's it. That's a quick look at the IS-17. Looks like a very nice helmet. I haven't tested it myself personally. We will do a long-term test on this in the future, because one of our people are actually going to start using this, and we'll see how they go. Thanks for watching. We'll get another review going on very soon.